Students, how are you? I hope you are fine. At the moment of corona crisis, you are staying at your home. My good wishes to you. Dear students, welcome to our session. Now we will discuss about changing narrative style. Students, write down the topics of your own khatas. The teacher said to Kamal, "Why are you talking in the class? You should behave yourself." Kamal replied, "Sir, I am sorry. I am asking Hassan to lend me his pen. My pen has run out." The teacher said, "Be attentive and listen to my lecture." Students, have you finished it? Now, we have to change the sentence into indirect speech. Here, said to reporting verb, the teacher subject and Kamal object. Reported speech, why are you talking in the class? It is interrogative sentence. And other sentence, you should behave yourself. This sentence assertive sentence. Both two sentence from teacher. First interrogative sentence and second assertive sentence. You know that in the interrogative sentence, reporting verb, instead of said to, we have to use asked and conjunction if or whether. But if the interrogative sentence start with WS question words, then conjunction WS question. So, in this case, the teacher asked Kamal, why? You, second person, indicate Kamal. So, pronoun he bracket K. Auxiliary verb are to changed was, present continuous to changed past continuous. So, he was talking in the class. Next sentence, he should behave yourself. This sentence is assertive sentence and sentence coming from the teacher. So, subject the teacher, reporting verb told. The teacher told that or added that he, use second person, indicate Kamal, he bracket K, he should behave himself. Okay. Next, Kamal replied, "Sir, I am sorry. I am asking Hassan to lend me his pen. My pen has run out." There are three sentences coming from Kamal. Kamal replied, you know that, sir, instead of sir, we have to use with due respect or respectfully. So you have to use Kamal replied respectfully that I first person indicate Kamal. He, amateur to other, he was sorry. He added that he also told that he was asking Hassan to lend him his pen. Because my pen to change his pen has to had present perfect to past perfect. His pen had run out. My pen has run out. This sentence is cause. So, connected because. Instead of and, connected because. Because his pen had run out. Dear students, match your answer. Kamal respectfully replied that he was sorry. He added that he was asking Hassan to lend him his pen because his pen had run out. Okay. Then the teacher said, Be attentive and listen to my lecture. The sentence from teacher. This sentence is imperative sentence. So, this sentence rule is different. You know it. In the field of imperative sentence, reporting verb, said or told, and conjunction 2. You know that if the imperative sentence is start with verb, conjunction 2, or if the sentence start let us, it is a sentence connected that. So in this case, the teacher told him to be attentive and listen to his lecture. Otherwise, the teacher advised him to be attentive and listen to his lecture. Please match your answer. The teacher advised him to be attentive and listen to his lecture. Dear students, have you finished it? Now, clearly match your answer. The teacher asked Kamal why he was talking in the class. He told him that he should behave himself. Kamal respectfully replied that he was sorry. He added that he was asking Hassan to lend him his pen because his pen had run out. The teacher advised him to be attentive and listen to his lecture. Dear students, today we have discussed the passage narration basis on assertive, interrogative and imperative sentence. Next day we will discuss it basis on operative sentence and exclamatory sentence. See you again. Thank you all.